Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send money from your TD Bank account to Citibank in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is easier than ever, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. Whether you're splitting bills with a friend or handling personal finances, this tutorial has got you covered. First things first, make sure you have active accounts at both TD Bank and Citibank. You'll need your Citibank account number, routing number, and possibly some verification details. Also, check if there are any transfer limits or fees. TD Bank might charge a small amount for external transfers in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your TD Bank app or website using your username and password. If you're on the app, it's usually quicker. Just open it up and authenticate with your fingerprint or Face ID if available. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. This is often found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for an option like External Transfer or Send Money to Another Bank. Step 3. Select the account you want to transfer from, probably your checking or savings at TD Bank. Then, enter the Citibank details, the recipient's name, account number, and routing number. Double-check these to avoid any errors. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to send and add any notes if needed, like rent payment. Review the transfer details carefully. In 2025, you might see new security features, such as a two-factor authentication prompt. Go ahead and confirm it. Step 5. Hit Confirm or Submit to process the transfer. It could take 1 to 3 business days to appear in the Citibank account, depending on the bank's processing times. Keep an eye on your TD Bank transaction history to track it. A quick tip: if you're transferring larger amounts, consider using wire transfers for faster service, though they might cost more. Always verify recipient details to prevent fraud. Banking security is tighter than ever in 2025. There you have it. That's how you send money from TD Bank to Citibank. It's quick, secure, and hassle-free once you know the steps. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.